Here is how to fix slow download speed on Epic Games Launcher. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix slow download speed on Epic Games Launcher. So let's start. The first thing that you can do is open Epic Games Launcher. After you open the launcher, go to the top right side and click on the initial of your name. Then after, go to Settings. Now inside Settings, click on Throttle Downloads. Then after, set the value to 100,000. This will maintain your Epic Games Launcher download speed at 100 Mbps. Keeping it at 0 means unlimited download speed. You can play around with the number depending upon your internet speed. Then after, the second thing is to make sure that your download path is set to a higher speed disk. Downloading files to your SSD is faster than downloading it to a hard disk. Furthermore, the next thing that you can do is check the server status of Epic Games. For that, go to any browser and then search for Epic Games server status. Go to the official website of Epic Games. Then after, see if there is any problem with the servers. If you see any issue, then it might take some time for them to fix it. You just have to wait for it. Furthermore, using VPNs or other proxies may also slow down the download speed of your Epic Games Launcher. So try disabling the VPNs and it might fix the issue. Finally, the last method that you can do is update the network adapters. For that, go to the search bar and type Device Manager. Then after, go to Network Adapters and click on it. Now check if your network adapter has any update available. For that, right click on it and then click on Update Driver. Now click on Search automatically for drivers. If you find any updates, make sure to download the update. By applying these methods, you can fix the issue of slow download speed in Epic Games Launcher. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.